What's good, people? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm taking you through a full day of eating of what my current contest prep diet looks like. 6 weeks and 3 days out from my show, so I hope you guys learned a few things here and there. I'm also going to take you through a shoulders and arm workout. I'm training with one of the boys today, so it should be an elite sesh, nasty pump. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to show you a physique update when I'm training, so you guys can get an idea of how I'm looking 6 weeks out. I'm feeling good though, feeling in a nice lean position. I feel like the conditioning's on point this far out, so I'm excited. I'm really excited. So if you haven't already, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and enjoy. Alright, meal one. We've got 180 grams of egg whites, we've got one whole egg, we've got 75 grams of oats, with some blueberries. So yeah, this is my daily meal one. Great source of protein, the fats from the egg yolk, and a nice amount of carbs from the oats, okay? But yeah, get this in me, see you for the pre-workout meal, and then we'll get into the session. Alright, we're back for meal two, or pre-workout meal. We've got 75 grams of cream of rice, and about a scoop and a third of whey isolate protein. This meal right here is my favorite throughout the whole day. It's insane, it's almost like a dessert. Yeah, this was decreased from 85 grams to 75 grams from my last check-in, and yeah, so we are getting leaner, decreasing the foods, we ramped the cardio up a bit, and we are pushing. So I'm going to demolish this, and then have my pre-workout drink in about half an hour. Consistency is key. Alright, shoulders and arms. Okay, so we're starting off with a warm-up, obviously. So the first exercise is going to be a heavier press. So 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps on dumbbells. So we want to make sure our rotator cuffs and the delts are nice and warm before throwing some weight around, right? So my go-to warm-up is just resistance band pullovers like that. Gives you a nice stretch on your chest, insertion to your deltoid. Warms up those rotator cuffs, alright? So I usually do about 10 rotations of that. And I also go over here. Now you see a lot of people using dumbbells for this exercise, and I much prefer cable because the force of tension is pulling in the direction you want. Whereas a dumbbell, all it wants to do if you let go of it is fall to the ground, okay? So grab cable, set it up around just below shoulder height. Out like that, yeah? So this will warm up your delts and your rotator cuffs. About 10 to 12 reps. I only do about 1 set of this. Make sure I'm nice and warm.
Gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Please hit me halfway.
Number 2, you've got rear delt X cable flies. I call them X flies because you're doing a bit of an X like that, right? So you want to focus on dragging your elbow back, slight bend in the arm, targeting the rear delt. Do it. 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps. Number 3, we've got cable lateral raises. I want to focus on a slight bend in the arm, pulling with the elbow, really feeling the stretch on the weight on the eccentric motion, and the squeeze on the concentric motion. We're doing 4 sets, 12 to 15 reps. Let's do it. I just wanna feel seated dumbbell lateral raises, supersetting with standing, cable, rope, face pulls, okay? Lateral raises, we're targeting the medial or lateral head. And then on the face pulls, prioritising the posterior or rear delt, okay? 4 sets, 12 to 15 reps.
And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to lay down. And I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up. Hold on to every promise I've been praying for. Like I hold on to every garment, won't surrender, not tonight. The shadow rises and I walk through the valley, but I won't let nothing take my heart away. I reckon
Done. We're now moving into some arms. So we're starting off with some triceps, and then we're going to transition into some biceps. Exercise number 1, we've got cable, rope, tricep extensions. 4 sets, 12 reps.
angel telling me not to lay down, and I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up.
Alright, exercise number 2, we're moving into biceps. Okay, so with the arm workout, we're doing the tricep exercise and the bicep exercise, right? The biceps, you got regular cable curls, right? Double arm, both at the same time. Yeah, 4 sets, 15 reps.
To every promise I've been praying for. Like I hold on to every garment, won't surrender, not tonight. Won't surrender, not tonight.
Exercise number 3, targeting triceps again, primarily focusing on the long head. Okay, so we're doing flat, barbell, skull crushes. Moderate reps, going for about 10 to 12 reps, 4 sets, short rest time, flooding the muscle as much blood as possible. Exercise number 4, we've got Fuji curls, easy bar Fuji curls. We're emphasising a closer grip, okay, trying to force that peak. You all want to know about the secret? This is the fucking secret, alright? 4 sets, 12 reps. Final 2 exercises is dumbbell skull crushers, seated dumbbell skull crushers, supersetted with dumbbell hammer curls. Okay, we're trying to develop the thickness throughout the arm. Skull crushers targeting the long head of the tricep, and the dumbbell hammer curls targeting the brachialis and the brachioradialis.
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away. Always waiting for the fall, so I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls.
That is shoulders and arms done. It was a great session, great pump. Pretty happy with the 40 kg press for shoulders, still maintaining 9 or 10 rep range. Hope you learned a few things, new different exercises. So we're moving on to meal 3, which is a post-workout meal. We've got 80 grams of Cocoa Pops. It was 90 last week, but it's been reduced, and 50 grams of whey isolate. All right, so yeah. So yeah, that's meal 3, so I'll see you in meal 4 in about an hour. Meal number 4, we've got 150 grams of lean beef mince with 110 grams of white jasmine rice cooked whey. This is my last main carb meal. You'll see in my next few meals I've only got pineapple as my carb source. From my last check-in, it was reduced from 125 grams to 110 grams. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, we're tearing this fat off, getting peeled. But yeah, there's a solid meal. I threw in some green beans as well. And yeah, I'm gonna smash this and I will see you in meal 5. Meal number 5, we've got 150 grams of chicken breast. People ask me what I season it with. It's just literally pink Himalayan salt. And then 75 grams of frozen pineapple. This shit is elite. That's meal 5, see you in meal 6. Sixth and final meal, we've got 145 grams of lean beef mince and 75 grams of frozen pineapple. That's a wrap for a full day of eating and shoulders and arm workout. Hope you learned a thing or two on what types of foods I'm eating, especially on a contest prep, being 6 weeks and now 2 days out. If you've got any questions, what you want to see more of, or even if you're just enjoying the content, drop them in the comments below. But yeah, there's plenty more content to come. The videos are only going to get better, so stay tuned. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.